Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can actually delete file and folder and any text file, any file, okay, in Python. So to delete anything you have to import a module, and that is called os. So you have to import os first, and then os dot, if you want to remove anything you can actually say os.remove and then the file name. So here I have created a file name. Here you can see test.txt. If I say test.txt, now if I run, here you can see there is no file because file already deleted, right? Here you can see no such a file. So this is how you can actually delete a file, text file. Now let's say I want to delete any Python file. So I will actually create a temporary file for the Python. So I will say temporary file dot python, and I want to actually delete the temporary file. So what I have to do, I just have to say the file name, and that is temporary file.py. If I run the code, and here you can see the file is deleted. Okay, now let's say I want to delete a directory or folder. So how can I delete this? Now let's say I want to create a directory, and I'm in the folder. So the new directory will be delete it. Okay, delete, delete underscore it, let's say, and I want to delete the folder. So what I have to do, I have to say os dot let me just remove this, or let's make it comment, and now I will say os dot remove so rmdir. What is this? rm means remove, dir means directory. So this is the function I have to use, and then I have to mention the folder name, and that is delete it. All right, now if I execute it, now you can see access denied. Okay, so what can I do here? Let me change the directory mode. So I will say chmod. Okay, change mode, and here at first I'm going to mention that folder name, delete it, and then I can say 0o777. so now I have given, actually not 0o here. Okay, so now I have given here full permission. So now let's execute it, and now I want to make it comment. Now I want to remove it. Now let's execute it, and here you can see we can delete the folder, right? So what we have to do, we have to just say os.rmdir, remove directory. Okay, then directory name. So if we get any error, so we can actually change the mode at first of the folder, because the folder can be the read only, so we have to give the full permission. So to give full permission, you have to say os dot change mode, chmod, change mode, and then the folder name inside double quotation, and then comma, and then 0o777 for the full permission. And after that, comment out it, or you can actually remove it. Then if you execute this, it will work. Okay, so I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.